Hello, and welcome to another update about Doge. Yeah, on the Dogecoin chart, we have seen only sideways action over the last few days, actually last 10 days or so. Really just sideways action. The market dipped into this support zone, which we talked about before, after an initial recovery from that massive sell-off that we saw. Unfortunately, we did not break above the 34.1 cent level in that recovery, and we haven't yet broken above any signal line, which is a shame because it keeps the price caught in this sideways consolidation mode. It might even turn into a triangle or something, but for now the price dipped into this support area, recovered a little bit, dipped again into support, but avoided a lower low. I think that's still possible because if this really is an A, B, C structure, the C wave would normally end below the low of the A wave. Doesn't have to, but that seems to be likely. And then from here, a recovery in a third wave could start, as long as, but only then, under this or under these circumstances, only as long as the market holds above 22 cents, the overall, let's say, bullish thesis here remains intact. And I would like to see, the market hold above 22 cents. That's a 78.6 retracement. And this would keep the yellow count alive. I'm slightly leaning towards not another low. Well, on the micro level maybe, but I'm slightly leaning towards the yellow count. But please note that any break below 22 cents will likely lead to invalidation. And the invalidation point itself is a little lower. However, that's at 20.4 cents. And we are far away from that at the moment, even though, okay, we're at 25. Invalidation point around 20.4. We're not too far away, but Doge can do that in a day if it wants to. But ideally, we're holding above it, as I said. It's just the problem is just across the sector, we're caught in sideways movement. Yeah, some of the coins are holding better than others. I mean, Doge is holding quite well, together with maybe ADA. Solana dropped quite a bit, but we talked about that in the Solana videos. So yeah, overall, I think if this is a C wave, then the only other thing we can do, I'm talking about this dip here after a B wave, the only other thing we can do is to calculate the ideal target for the C wave, right? So we have an A wave, a B wave. B wave itself seems to be quite a clear three-wave move, probably like this, A, B, or that actually looks like a WXY. Doesn't matter so much now, but WXY, and then the Y wave was an ABC itself, and now we're moving down. There isn't really much to work with in terms of structure here. Best is to calculate or measure, rather, the length of the A wave, which dipped to or reached 23.8 cents, then to compare that with the length of the C wave. So, and that's pointing towards 23.3 cents. And this is pretty much, on one hand, this is the 100% extension. On the other hand, that's the 61.8 extension. And there's a bit of an overlap there, at 23.3, 23.4 cents. Doesn't mean the price has to get another low, but it appears likely at this stage. At least there is absolutely zero evidence that a substantial low has formed. Once we finally start the third wave, then we need to get above the first signal line. That would be the first indication. A low is in at 29.3 cents. Better will be a break above the upper signal line at 34.2 cents. That's it about Doge at the moment. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you are interested in additional content, then check out our new channel, MCO Global. For those of you who don't know it yet or who missed it, this is going to be our main channel from now on. Doesn't mean there will be more content, but the videos are different. They are certainly higher production quality. They are not so much focused on the smaller time frame like here. These are more, researched videos, topics, in-depth analysis, geopolitical content. We talk about indicators. There will be interviews on this channel. There are tutorials. I talk about stuff like mindset as well. You'll find all of that here. The videos, or the channel rather, is linked in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.